If you have tested the Brizy Cloud free app and you decide to go pro, there's a few ways you can do that. From within your dashboard, you can go to My Personal Projects and click here on Create New Account and Upgrade. This will take you to our pricing page from where you can sign up for Brizy Pro. Simply select a package of your choice between Personal and Studio and click on Buy Now. The difference between Personal and Studio is that you get unlimited sub-accounts. Click on Buy Now, go through the payment procedure, and then log into your account. Again, like before, a shortcut key is brizy.cloud/dashboard, and that will take you into your dashboard. You will know that you've gone pro when you go to My Personal Projects and you see that you have the option down here to create new accounts. This will allow for good client management. Pro also includes pop-ups, external pop-ups, form integration with your favorite mailer builder, as well as various Pro elements within the Brizy Builder, and lots more goodies coming in Brizy Cloud Pro. To sign up today, click on the link in the description below and make sure you subscribe here to YouTube for more tutorials on Brizy Cloud.